Hello, hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to solve our LeetCode problem of the day. It's 2126, destroying asteroids. Now it's a medium problem, so we are given an integer mass. We are given with an integer mass, which represents the original mass of planet. This is the mass of my planet, original mass of the planet. You are further given an integer array asteroids, where asteroid I is the mass of the Earth planet. Like we are also given with an asteroid array where each index represents the mass of my asteroid. Now you can arrange for the planet to collide with the asteroid in any arbitrary order. Our task is to collide the planet and the asteroid, but the thing is we can arrange them in any arbitrary order. Like I can collide this one first, whichever I want. I can collide in any arbitrary order. Now there is a thing that's been given here. If the mass of the planet is greater than or equal to the mass of the asteroid, that means the mass of my planet is greater than the mass of my asteroid. The asteroid is destroyed because it has lower impact and the planet gains the mass of the asteroid. My planet will become like it will gain the mass of my asteroid, otherwise the planet is destroyed. Now we are supposed to return true if all the asteroids can be destroyed, otherwise return false. So let me take my test case. So this is my test case. Another test case is this one. And these are my constraints. So I'm supposed to do this. It's 10 raised by 5. It's if it is 105, it means 10 raised by 5. So my problem is 2123, right? 2126. My problem is 2126. Destroying asteroids. So initially this is the mass of my planet. Now I can collide any of the asteroid. So my strategy will be greedy, because all the asteroids with mass lesser than 10 can easily do what? Can easily all the asteroid with mass lesser than the mass of my planet can easily be destroyed. So I'll take 3, I'll take 5, then I'll take 9. Now its mass will be after every collision, its mass will increase. So 13. After 5th, it will be 18. After 9, it will be what? 18 plus 9 will be what? It's 27. Now I'll again take the I'll again take the asteroid with the lowest mass. So it's 19. So again 19 can easily be destroyed. So it's 37, 47, it will be 46. Then again 21. So 21, it will be what? 67. So finally I can destroy each of the asteroids. So my strategy will be what? Take the asteroid, like every time take the asteroids with the smallest mass, because that's how I can compete. Otherwise if I'll take it's like kind of greedy. I always have to compete with the smallest mass asteroids. Now here 5 plus 4 9, then 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 9 is what? It's 22. Now mass of my planet is what? 22, but asteroid becomes what? 23. So here it will return false. So let's write the solution for this. So initially I'll do what? Just sort your array. Arrays dot sort asteroids. Asteroids array. Once it is sorted, do what? Now iterate over your asteroid array. Asteroid. Now if your mass is somehow, if mass of your planet become less than the mass of your asteroid, then you are supposed to return what? Return false. Otherwise do what? Otherwise increase your mass by the mass of your asteroid. Once I come out of the loop, I'll return what? True. So what is my time complexity is big of n log n, because we are doing sorting here plus n, right? So n is a constant factor, we'll take the highest factor. So my time complexity will be what? Big of n log n. So let's begin the implementation for the solution. So initially I'm supposed to do what? Sort your asteroid array. Now for iterate over your asteroid array. If somehow mass of your planet become lesser than the mass of the asteroid, immediately return what? False. Otherwise mass plus or equal to I. Finally return what? True. Today it's I don't know why they have given it as a medium problem. It's a simpler problem, but the thing is you have to come with the intuition. If you have intuition, it's easy, otherwise it's medium. Yeah, but there is a thing that we are supposed to check. What's that? Since my asteroid length is what? 10 is to the power 5, and asteroid I is what? 10 is to the power 5. If while calculating the mass, because my mass is what? Is in int, 10 is to the power 10 is what? Index out of bound. So we have to change its data type from int to long. You can, otherwise you can create one more variable. Here I have done this way. Now let's submit this. Now it got submitted. My time complexity is what? Big of n log n. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. And if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in comment section. And please, from tomorrow onwards, I will be starting my series and from bitwise manipulation. And let's see what happens. Thank you. Bye bye.